I'm here with some leftover cooked salmon and my Dash mini waffle maker, and I'm gonna make a salmon waffle. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I made some baked salmon the other night, and then this is what's left over. There were quite a few bones in it, so I shredded up the salmon just to try to make sure that there's still no bones in it. And I'm going to add an egg to it. And I'm going to stir that in. The egg is going to help to bind the salmon. Now, if I wanted to put this in a little food processor, that would be good also. The texture would probably be better if I did that. But I'm feeling kind of lazy right now, so I'm just stirring it around in this storage container. Now I'm going to add some seasoning to it. I'm going to add some granulated garlic, a tiny bit of salt, and a little bit of dried ginger, just because that's what I have. Oh, that was a lot of dried ginger. Some black pepper. Maybe I'll try to take some of that ginger out because that's going to be a little bit too spicy. And now I'm going to stir this around. Obviously, you could add your favorite seasonings. I wonder if this can make 2 waffles or if it's only enough for 1. Yeah, maybe I'll be able to make 2 little waffles, 2 thin waffles. Here's my Dash mini waffle maker. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, we are ready to make our waffles. The blue light is off. So let's put some of this batter in. I just put half of it in. Let's see what we get with half. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes now. There's a whole bunch of steam coming out, and there's not much steam coming out now. Let's see what's going on here. Look at that. That looks beautiful. It looks delicious. It's nicely browned. That's the other side. You never know that's made from salmon. All right, I'm putting the rest of the batter in, spreading it out. And I'll shut that and we'll be back in about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes now. Look at this beautiful waffle. Wow. I cooked this one a little bit longer than the other one. Look at that. So these are the salmon waffles. I'm looking forward to trying them. I've never had these before. I've never made them before. I did not know how they were going to come out, and I don't know how they're going to taste. But I'm assuming they're going to be good. That's the inside. They're very good. I'm happy with the seasoning. They maybe could use just a little bit more salt. And I would really like these with a tartar sauce, maybe even some lemon or some cocktail sauce. But they're really good how they are, and the seasoning is not overpowering at all. It just gives the salmon a little added flavor. So this is a great way to use up some leftover salmon. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.